Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Loraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches. Now today I am going to be looking at a product called Atlantis. Now this product is brought to you by Digital Dames. Now Digital Dames are colleagues who are also in the Ministry of Freedom, which is the coaching and training program that I joined in June. Digital Dames have been in this space for just over a year now, and they're doing great with their product launches, and this is another one of their training and software launches. So what I'll do is we'll take a look at the sales page for Atlantis, and I do have access to the members dashboard, so we can go over to that after we've looked at the sales page. Then we can look at my bonus page and all of the bonuses that are available if you decide to pick up Atlantis through my link, which is the first link in the description box below the video. So let's go over to the sales page now. Okay, so here we are on the Atlantis website page, the sales page. And basically it is a software and also a training product. It is around traffic. So basically it's about generating traffic for your Instagram account and then setting up your Instagram account the right way in order that people are curious to go looking at your bio and your profile and then clicking on the link that would be in this bio and then being taken to another page whereby they can then have access to one or two or three or four different affiliate marketing products. So that's what this is about. Now, Atlantis launched yesterday, and it's Nanda and Paula Marie who take you through the training in the members area. But what they're saying on this sales page is that it's a software that creates a traffic ripple, and there's been 22 beta testers who have gone through and generated sales, and they say an average of $500 or just over $500 in sales daily. You can get results in 30 minutes. It's just a 3-click to set up, and it's a brand new method. And even if you're new with affiliate marketing, then it's newbie friendly. There's no extra investment required, and there is a money back guarantee. So this is the claims on the sales page. There is video that you can watch. Now, if you click through any of my buttons on the bonus link that's in the description box below, then you'll be taken to this sales page and you can check out the video and the rest of the information on the sales page. So it took them a long time to create this software, 14 months to create the software, and they've had their beta testers testing it out. They've got results from it, so it's a tried and tested software. And so basically they've invited 22 new people who had never made a dime before, and the beta testers trialed Atlantis and all started to see results. So here's some of the testimonials that they've had by starting with Atlantis. So let's now have a look at the members area, the dashboard for this product. Okay, so this is the members area for Atlantis, and on the first page you have Nanda and Paula Marie who do their introduction and explain exactly what these buttons are for down below, and how you can follow them on Instagram and join their private Facebook community. So this is the front end page for Atlantis. Now, what they explain to you is that the videos are all down this side. So what you've got to do is look at the videos one by one, because it's all in sequence. Now, you've got looking at the platform. So you're looking at Instagram, how you set up the platform for Instagram, and they've got their first video. Then you've got how to create an eye-catching profile in the second video, and also some resources down below that will help you to set up your Instagram profile correctly. And then you've got the money tree, basically training for how you can set up your bio and have the right link there, so you can get more opportunities, basically, instead of, because Instagram allows one link, and so this is a way that you can use a software which is free, and you can set up a free account and have links to more than one affiliate product. Then you've got what's hot right now on Instagram, and access to another one of their upgrades, which is the Trident, the limitless traffic. And so they'll take you through another training for what's hot right now on Instagram. Then you, after the introduction and the training, you've got the software setup. Now the software setup, they'll take you through step by step in how to set up the software, and it works with Apple or Mac device, a Windows device. You've got your software download, and you've got how to use the software for maximum impact. So what it does is basically from Instagram, then it can follow new people and then direct message new people. So that's how the software works. Now what it is, it's a Chrome extension that you download and put onto your browser, and that's how it works. So this is the software setup section. Then you've got pages set up, so how you make it rain cash. It's more about generating the traffic. Why balance high and low ticket sales? So you've got a mix of different affiliate offers in there. Grab affiliate links and get ready to start posting and getting paid. Some done for you money pages, and how to set up a successful campaign. So everything you need is here in order to get you going with affiliate marketing. So even if you're new, you could follow the training step by step and get started with this. And then they've got the Rise to Fame, which is some extra training modules. Then they've got the additional bonus section, which is available with the front end product. And then you've got the Atlantis upgrades, which are all the upgrades that I will explain when we go and have a look at the bonus page that I have set up for you. So that is Atlantis. Now, obviously, great training, fantastic software, and it's all step by step. I've had a quick look at some of the training, and they're very good at explaining what you need to do. So I would highly recommend grabbing Atlantis and taking a look for yourself. So let's go over now, have a look at my bonus page and the bonuses I have available if you decide to pick up Atlantis through my link in the description box below. So here we are on my bonus bundle page for Atlantis. It's a software that will generate traffic for Instagram. It will direct message people, and it will have them go back to your bio to check you out. And if they're curious, they'll click on your bio link and look at your various products that you have, that you are marketing. So that is what Atlantis is all about. Now let's have a look at some of the prices for this. On the front end, the product is $17. There is a $3 off coupon when you first land on the sales page. Now they have an upgrade of $47, which you can snap up for $37 if you go for the downgrade. There is also a beta price on the upgrade 2, which is $497. And then you've got the upgrade 3 of $37 and the downsell for $27. Upgrade 4 at $67 and the downsell for $47. Upgrade 5, $97 and the downgrade for $67. You've got upgrade 6 at $67 and the downgrade at $37. And upgrade 7, $47 and the downgrade for $37. So basically there's a lot of upgrades to go through this funnel. So you've got your order bump here after your front end, $7.97 to get support and get there faster. So that is like the VIP support team. Then you've got upsell 1, which is unlocking beast mode, throwing the limits overboard and getting 100 times bigger and faster results. Then you've got upsell 2, which is called Asgard, and that is basically more spaces on exclusive beta, so you can get extra building up and achieving a 10k launch, expanding your business, reaching your best potential. So it's a limited offer, and I think here it's saying that it's only 15 students, so that must be their basic coaching, training, and how to get to a position of selling products for yourself. And so that's Asgard. Upsell 3 is the 7 C's income multiplier. So it's basically giving you more advantage. Upsell 4, trying limitless traffic, which is tapping into 10 times the traffic. There's 3 different levels of Chrome extension plugin, which is obviously explained in the videos. Once you're a member of Atlantis. So upsell 5 is Neptune, and it's access to the $1,000 days, and it's basically a step-by-step video training, copy and paste, exact done for you campaigns, done for you funnels, done for you evergreen webinars, and an email follow-up series. So that's upgrade 5. And upsell 6 is the reseller rights, whereby you can then sell Atlantis for yourself and use the entire funnel for yourself. Upsell 7, accidental income generator, is a hidden gem which they found accidentally through the beta testing that they went through with this product software. So that is Atlantis and the funnel. So now let's have a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide to grab this traffic software product. So first one is access to Backlink Warrior. Now this is only available for the first 24 hours. And the second one is learn how to get a better conversion. So once you've got your funnel set up and you're driving traffic to that, if it's not converting, then this is the product for you, because you'll be able to learn how to get better conversions. Bonus number 3 is how to explode your YouTube channel. So how to get more subscribers, how to get your videos ranking, and get eyes on them. So that's another great bonus. And bonus 4 is Boomerang Buddy Pro. Now this is another training, another hack by my mentor John O. Armstrong. So these are the 4 bonuses that I have available today for Atlantis. Any of these red buttons will take you through to the sales page, where you can take a look at the sales page, have a look for yourself at the video and the other testimonials that are on the sales page. Now obviously you would still be entitled to all of the vendor bonuses, even when you pick up Atlantis through my link in the description box below. This descriptions box below. So that is basically what the bonuses that I have, and this is the Warrior Plus receipt. If you make a purchase, you will find that this little blue button here is access to all of the affiliate bonuses. And that's all I have for now on this fantastic training, traffic software that helps to boost your Instagram followers and get you started on making money with affiliate products. So that's all I have today. If you like these videos, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next review. So, bye for now.